Good morning, grade 7 students. This is Miss Nadine. Today is Thursday, March 12, 2020. I am going to explain a new section in Chapter 4, Section 4.9, Solving Inequalities by Multiplying or Dividing. In this video, I want to solve some inequalities that involve multiplying and dividing by positive and negative numbers, and you will see that's a little bit more tricky than just solving inequalities by adding or subtracting. As you know, multiplication and division are inverse operations. Multiplication can undo division, and division can undo multiplication. You solve inequalities just as you solve equations, but with one exception: when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must reverse the inequality symbol. Solving inequalities by multiplying and dividing. First case, when the coefficient of x is positive, the direction of the inequality symbol stays the same. Let's do a couple of examples. Let's say we have 2t less than or equal 4. To solve for t, I'm going to divide 4 by 2. Since t is multiplied by 2, t is less than or equal to. To grab the solution, we draw the number line 0, 1, 2. We start with a closed circle at 2. To show that t can be equal to 2, then we draw an arrow going to the right to represent all real numbers that are less than or equal to. The second example, 12x greater than 48. To solve for x, I'm going to divide 48 by 12. 48 divided by 12 is 4. X is greater than 4. To grab the solution, we start with an open circle at 4, then we draw an arrow going to the right to represent all real numbers that are greater than 4. Number 3. F over 3 is greater than or equal to. The operation used in this inequality is division. The inverse operation of division is multiplication. So to solve for f, I'm going to multiply 3 by 2. 3 times 2 is 6. F is greater than or equal 6. To grab the solution, we draw a closed circle at 6, then we draw an arrow going to the right to represent all real numbers that are greater than 6. The second case, when the coefficient of x is negative, the direction of the inequality symbol is reversed. Example: minus 2k is greater than or equal 4. Minus 2 is a negative number. To solve for k, I'm going to divide 4 by negative 2, but don't forget to change the inequality symbol or to reverse the inequality symbol. It's greater than or equal. I change it to less than or equal, since minus 2 is a negative number. K is less than or equal 4 over minus 2. K less than or equal minus 2. We grab the solution. Number 2. Y over negative 2 is less than negative 2. To solve for y, I'm going to multiply negative 2 by negative 2. But don't forget to reverse the inequality symbol, since negative 2 is negative number. Y is greater than plus 4. To grab the solution, we start with an open circle at 4, then we draw an arrow going to the right to represent all real numbers that are greater than 4. Now, please open your books, page 217. Number 6. 4h less than 16. The operation used is multiplication. The inverse operation is division, so I'm going to divide 16 by 4. H is less than 16 over 4. H less than 4. To grab the solution, we start with an open circle at 4 and we draw an arrow going to the left. Number 7. 3 times p greater than 36. P is greater than 36 over 3. P is greater than 12. And we grab the solution. Number 8. 9 times n is less than or equal negative 27. To solve for n, I'm going to divide negative 27 by 9. So n is less than or equal negative 3. As an assignment for the next time, please do page 117, number 9 to 30. Thank you.